Welcome to Kids Art. We're going to do a chubby unicorn today. First step we do is create kind of like a curve in the middle. Next, we're going to make the ear. The ear just goes up, down, just like this. We also have another kind of V shape in the middle. We're going to make the unicorn's horn. You go up, make a line, kind of near the top. We're going to make it rounded and come down. Next, we're going to create kind of like the back side. It's going to be sitting down. So take this line and kind of figure out where it would go and follow it. Mine goes here, and I'm going to go all the way down, kind of make it curved at the bottom. We're going to make the unicorn sit, so we're going to put a kind of curve at the top, curve at the bottom for the leg, a line, and then we're going to make one more and another. This line's somewhat curved, and then close up your curved line into like an oval shaped. That's one leg. Next, we're going to do another leg. We're going to come up, kind of like a curved line again, go down, kind of stop where the middle is on this leg, and then make it curved, connecting to it. You're going to make another curve, connecting to that one again. Now this leg is going to touch all the way to the top. It's going to be kind of big. And then go down, kind of where the middle of this leg is now. And you're going to make it curved. Curved line again. And then one more leg, kind of sticking out here, line. And then I'm going to go down to this line, curve shape, and then close up the curve shape. There. Now our unicorn is not complete with some nice cute eyes. I'm going to make it kind of closed, draw a line, and then this line is kind of like a wave. Looks like eyelashes maybe. Then you just fill it in. You can extend it if you want out. Just like that. I'm going to make mine kind of pointed actually. See, there's no wrong or right way for art. If you don't like something, you just change it. Okay. Now for the hair. The hair is kind of the exciting part. You make loops. So here's kind of like a loop or a wave. And then you go back out and follow that loop back in. We're going to make a line connecting from that loop down. And then we're going to go for the mane all the way down, making loops, kind of like waves. So all the way like this. And then I'm going to take my pen and go back around, making it kind of big. That. And then close that one. This one's going to go up, back down. And you can always pause or start the video again whenever you need more time. But there's no right or wrong way to make these waves or the mane. Just whatever you feel like is a good spot to put it. We're going to continue making those spirals. This is going to be a bigger spiral. And then you connect it and go out all the way back. I kind of like the little line, so it makes it more full of a mane. And then go another one. You can always make it go off the page to make it look fuller. All you have to do is just make that spiral and come back. Just like that. Another line connecting it. And then I'm going to make a couple more swirls. Go out, back around and down. There. And if you want it more full, you just make lines connecting these. In the middle. And there's it, but I'm going to make a couple more here. I feel like it's not as full. Again, there's no right or wrong way to make the hair because it's kind of everywhere, but it's pretty fun kind of making it go crazy like this. So here's our cute unicorn. You could always make kind of sleepy, make it come out a little more. It's up to you. Now here's the fun part, is coloring it. So I'm going to speed up the video a bit, and you're welcome to stop and pause it or create your own creation. I think with the color it makes it more fun, and you can color it any way that you want. I chose a rainbow pattern and it's up to you. So enjoy, and I will see you next time. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye.